Welcome to the GW Stefini channel where we talk about life moments with a smile. Today we embark on a journey around the globe, but instead of landmarks, we're scouting out nature's own fountain of youth, found in the most delicious places. We're not just traveling for sights, but for bites. We're diving into the world's kitchens, savoring the healthiest anti-aging dishes that promise not just a culinary adventure, but also a ticket to a healthier, longer life. Today, we're on a mission to find the world's best healthy and anti-aging dishes. Hello, fellow food adventurers. I'm your host, your guide on this tasty quest for the fountain of youth in a bowl, or a plate, or a cup. You get the idea. We are about to embark on a delectable journey, an exploration that goes beyond the ordinary. This isn't just a culinary tour. It's a quest for the secret to longevity, found in the most unexpected of places, our food. Our adventure will take us across continents, through bustling cities, serene countrysides, and everything in between. We'll start with the Mediterranean marvels of Greece, where fresh produce meets ancient wisdom in a dance of flavors that promise youth and vitality. Then we'll heat things up in India, a land where spices don't just add flavor but are traditional medicine, each one a warrior in the battle against aging. From there, we'll travel to the Zen gardens of Japan, where a balanced diet and a mindful approach to eating have created a culture renowned for its longevity. Finally, we'll venture to the vibrant markets of Brazil, where the joy of eating is as important as the food itself, and where each bite is a celebration of life. Each stop on our journey will reveal a new secret, a new flavor of youth. From the spicy streets of India to the Zen gardens of Japan, our journey promises to be a delicious one. First stop, Greece, land of the gods and apparently godlike skin. We've heard tales of the Mediterranean diet, its seemingly magical powers that not only keep the heart healthy but also keep the skin glowing and youthful. Can you believe it? A diet that's not only delicious but also a ticket to a longer, healthier life. Imagine this, a table laid out with a colorful spread of fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, legumes, and whole grains. At the heart of it all, olive oil, the golden elixir that Greeks swear by. It's hard to believe that something as simple as olive oil could be the secret to longevity. But the Greeks, with their radiant complexions and robust health, are living proof. Now let's dive into the cuisine itself. The Mediterranean diet is a symphony of flavors, a balance of sweet, sour, salty, and bitter, all coming together to create a feast for the senses. Think fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, and olives tossed in extra virgin olive oil, sprinkled with a dash of salt and topped off with a generous crumble of feta cheese. This, my friends, is a Greek salad, or as I like to call it, the salad of immortality. But what makes this diet so special? It's the high antioxidant content, the good fats, and the minimal use of processed foods. It's about eating foods in their most natural state, as fresh and unaltered as possible. It's about savoring each bite, each flavor, each texture, and in the process, nourishing not just your body, but also your soul. Of course, it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. The Greeks understand the importance of mealtime as a social activity, a time to gather with loved ones, to share stories, to laugh, to create memories. It's this joie de vivre, this zest for life that truly sets the Mediterranean lifestyle apart. And then there's the wine. Yes, you heard it right. Moderate consumption of red wine is a part of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Rich in antioxidants, red wine is believed to have heart protective properties. So the next time you raise a toast, make sure it's a toast to good health and longevity. So, are you ready to embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle, to eat like a Greek god, to live like a Greek god, and yes, to look like a Greek god? Because that's what this journey is all about. It's about discovering new flavors, new cultures, new ways of living, and in the process, finding the secret to a longer, healthier, happier life. In the end, the Mediterranean diet is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle, a philosophy, a celebration of life in all its delicious glory. So here's to the Mediterranean marvels, to the flavors of youth, to the joy of living. Basically, eat like a Greek god, look like a Greek god. Now we're in India, where the spices not only dance on your tongue, but also fight aging. This vibrant land is like a grand spice bazaar, with each spice offering a unique flavor and health benefit. From the tangy tamarind to the fiery red chilies, the spices are as diverse as the country itself. One spice that stands out in this colorful array is the golden turmeric, a staple in Indian kitchens. This spice is a true powerhouse of health benefits. Turmeric is packed with curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's no wonder that it's been used in Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, for thousands of years. But turmeric isn't just a spice for curries and stews. It's also an essential ingredient in golden milk, a traditional Indian health drink. Simmered with milk and a dash of black pepper to enhance absorption, this golden elixir is a comforting bedtime drink that promises a good night's sleep and a radiant glow. Let's move from the humble home kitchens to the bustling street food scene. Here, turmeric takes center stage in many dishes, adding a rich hue and a warm, earthy flavor. Whether it's the savory pav bhaji, a spicy vegetable mash served with buttery bread, or the samosa, a crispy pastry filled with spiced potatoes and peas, turmeric is a constant companion. But the magic of Indian cuisine doesn't stop at turmeric. There's the potent ginger, the fiery cayenne, the fragrant cardamom, and so many more. Each spice has its own role to play in the symphony of flavors that is Indian food. And each one comes with its own set of health benefits, making every meal a delicious dose of wellness. Take ginger, for instance. This spicy root is known for its digestive benefits and its ability to boost immunity. Or the humble black pepper, which not only enhances the flavor of dishes, but also aids digestion and has antioxidant properties. And let's not forget the garam masala, a blend of several spices that's a staple in Indian cooking. Each ingredient in this mix, from the warming cinnamon to the aromatic cloves, contributes to its health-boosting properties. But it's not just the individual spices that make Indian cuisine a powerhouse of health benefits. It's also the way they're combined. The Indian philosophy of food believes in a balance of flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent. A well-balanced meal, according to this philosophy, is not just satisfying to the palate, but also nourishing to the body. So, as we navigate the spicy lanes of India, sampling dishes that set our tongues tingling and our hearts warming, let's remember that each bite is not just a burst of flavors. It's also a step towards better health and perhaps a longer life. Because each spice here is like a little warrior against aging. And considering how spicy some of these dishes are, those warriors don't believe in surrender. Welcome to Japan, where the secret to longevity might just lie in their traditional diet. This is a land where a meal is not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a symphony for your senses. It's an experience that nourishes the body and soothes the soul. In Japan, food is a form of art. The meticulous preparation, the exquisite presentation, and the mindful consumption all play into the unique dining culture of this island nation. And perhaps these are the secrets to their remarkable longevity. One of the most fascinating aspects of Japanese cuisine is the emphasis on natural seasonal ingredients. The food philosophy here is simple: shun, which means to use ingredients at their peak. This not only enhances the flavor, but also maximizes the nutritional benefits. When you eat a strawberry in winter or a pumpkin in autumn, you're not just enjoying a delicious bite, but also absorbing the best nature has to offer. Another key player in the Japanese diet is seafood, especially fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. From salmon sashimi to grilled mackerel, the bounty of the sea is a staple in Japanese kitchens. These omega-3 rich foods are like the magic potion that keeps your heart healthy, your skin glowing, and your mind sharp. And then there's the magic green powder, matcha. This vibrant green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants known as catechins. Participating in a traditional Japanese tea ceremony where matcha takes the center stage is not just a cultural experience, but also an anti-aging ritual. When you whisk that matcha, you're not just preparing a drink, you're stirring up a potion of youth. But it's not just about what the Japanese eat, it's also about how they eat. Portion control is ingrained in their eating habits. In Japan, they follow the concept of hara hachi bu, which means to eat until you're 80% full. This practice not only keeps their calorie intake in check, but also allows their body to digest food more efficiently. And let's not forget the fermented foods. From miso to pickled vegetables, fermented foods are a big part of the Japanese diet. Packed with probiotics, these foods are like a spa treatment for your gut, promoting a healthy digestive system and a radiant complexion. So, if we take a leaf out of Japan's culinary book, we see that the secret to their youthfulness and longevity isn't hidden in a single ingredient or a magic potion. It's a combination of a balanced diet, mindful eating, and a deep respect for nature. And let's not forget portion control, because overeating is so last millennium. Now, welcome to Brazil, a country where the food is as colorful and diverse as its culture. Brazil is known for its vibrant cuisine, a delectable blend of indigenous, Portuguese, African, and even Japanese influences. But it's not just about the variety of flavors here. It's about the joy, the celebration of life that's inherently woven into the fabric of Brazilian dining. Imagine a lively family gathering, the table laden with an array of dishes, laughter filling the air, and everyone savoring each bite with an unhurried pleasure. That's a typical mealtime scene in Brazil. This joy of eating, this zest for life, it's their secret ingredient, their recipe for youthfulness. Now let's talk about a superfood that has taken the world by storm from this very land, the acai berry. Known for its deep purple color, this tiny berry is a powerhouse of antioxidants, fiber, and heart-healthy fats. And where better to try this than in its native land, served as a refreshing acai bowl. Watch as the frozen acai pulp gets blended to a creamy consistency, then topped with a symphony of fresh fruits, granola, and a drizzle of honey. It's not just a bowl of food, it's a bowl of life, a bowl of youth. Every spoonful is like a burst of freshness, a taste of the Amazon rainforest, and a promise of health and vitality. But it goes beyond the nutritional benefits. The acai bowl is a symbol of the Brazilian way of life, vibrant, full of energy, and brimming with positivity. It's a daily reminder to celebrate life, to savor every moment, and to age gracefully. So next time you see an acai bowl, remember, it's not just a trendy Instagram post. It's a reminder of the Brazilian joy of eating, their celebration of life, and their secret to youthfulness. Acai bowls. Not just a trendy Instagram post, but a real fountain of youth. What a flavorful journey it's been. We've sampled the world's most rejuvenating cuisines, each dish a testament to the power of food to nourish not just our bodies, but our souls. We've tasted the freshness of Mediterranean marvels, where antioxidants and healthy fats work in harmony to keep us youthful. We've savored the spicy secrets of India, where each spice is a warrior in the battle against aging. We've experienced the Zen of Japan, where a traditional diet and mindful eating practices are the keys to longevity. And we've discovered the beauty of Brazil, where a vibrant diet and a joyous approach to eating are the elixirs of youth. Each of these dishes, from Greek salad to turmeric-infused curry, from matcha tea to acai bowls, holds the promise of a healthier, longer, and more vibrant life. They're proof that a diet rich in natural whole foods can do more than just satisfy our taste buds. It can help us stay young at heart and in spirit. But remember, it's not just about the ingredients. It's about how we eat too. It's about savoring each bite, delighting in each flavor, and enjoying the moment. Because part of the secret to staying young is finding joy in the everyday. And what's more everyday than a good meal? So, fellow food adventurers, I encourage you to embark on your own flavorful journey. Try these dishes, experiment with these ingredients, and discover for yourself the rejuvenating power of food. Because the journey to youth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And what better way to fuel that marathon than with dishes that are as delicious as they are nourishing? Remember, the secret to youth isn't just about what you eat, but how you enjoy it. If you enjoyed the journey, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. Eat well, enjoy, and here's to a youthful you.